Hey motorsport lovers, do you want to get the best driving experience out of your tires without compromising on a sleek design? You want to know more about Michelin's high-performance offering? Well, jump in, because we're heading over to the workshop. Welcome to another episode of The Workshop, the place where we answer all your burning questions about tires. And today we're joined by Jean-Philippe. Hello!
Hi Thomas! Today we will be showing you some of the tires from the MICHELIN Pilot Sport range and how to choose the right one for your needs.
Alright, the Pilot Sport range was inspired by Michelin's legacy in motorsport, right?
Yep, it all started at Le Mans back in 1923. Since then, Michelin has been committed to making every motion a way to feel alive. Whether on road or on track, the Pilot family benefits from the most recent innovations for spirited driving that lasts for more miles.
So what's the first step in choosing the right Michelin Pilot Sport tire?
It depends what type of car you have, the tire dimension it has, and what you do with it. For example, do you use it every day to go to work or do you go on sporty road trips?
Maybe both. And what about those who like to race on the weekend?
You're in luck, Thomas, because the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tire, for example, is made for everyday road use but can also be used on the track.
That's great. You know me, I love track days.
Once you've answered those simple questions, you'll need to check your tire size.
Yeah, and I think I've got the hang of checking my tire size.
Well, just a quick reminder, the tire markings tell you the width, series, rim size, load index and speed index.
That's perfect.
And don't forget to check both the front and the rear tires as the sizes may be different. We also strongly recommend you to choose the same brand and style for all 4 tires.
You're right, handling is key. Right, let's hit the road and start looking at the tires for 100% road use.
First step, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. It's born from the heritage of the famous Pilot Sport 4. Multi-awarded in press test, it delivers control on dry and wet roads and driving pleasure even at high speeds.
Nice, it must be a smooth ride around the corners then. What about the design?
The tire has a special sidewall design called Premium Touch.
It feels almost velvety.
That's the patented micro texture, which also gives unprecedented contrast.
And for our dynamic SUV car owners, what's the ideal tire?
The Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV is adapted to bigger and heavier vehicles with, as always, an emphasis on long-lasting performance. For the sports car enthusiast out there, one tire you can occasionally use on the racetrack is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tire.
Yeah, that's awesome.
This high-performance tire accelerates your ride and pushes the limits of your favorite sports car. Don't forget, it's also track-ready, and it's acclaimed by the most demanding car makers.
It truly is an iconic tire.
Buckle up, Thomas. It's time to look at the track tires.
And what do we have here?
Here we have the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tire. It's semi-slick, designed to unleash the full potential of high-powered sports and supercars.
Perfect for thrill-seeking drivers like me.
If you thought the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 was fast, we have the ultimate track tire for high and ultra-high performance sports cars.
Lights out and away we go.
The Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R features extreme dry grip using an exclusive compound from motorsports to reach ultimate speed in curves and driving precision, and it's still road legal.
So, if I can summarize the Michelin Pilot Sport family, there's a tire for every driver, whatever the passion.
Exactly. It's all about your needs and the experience you'd like to get out of driving your car, whether it's out on the road or on the track.
I think we're done. Thank you, Jean-Philippe.
My pleasure, Thomas. See you next time.
I hope you enjoyed this episode, and as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, time for me to smash some lap times, and I think those Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires are really gonna help. See you next time at the workshop.